What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go through my motovlogging setup on my RI RX-7 GP. Danny Pedrosa rep. Blends perfectly well with the RR. So RX-7 GP, love the helmet, and yeah, perfect fit for my head. But that's not what we're talking about today. So we're going to talk about the motovlogging setup. So I currently run a GoPro Hero 7 and I use it on the front, okay, obviously front mounted for point of view, I think, and pretty much every motovlogger uses a front facing center of the helmet because you get basically a kind of like a rider eye view. So we've gone for the front, so let's pull this apart and then we can put the helmet down. So, what I have got on the front, if you can see that there, is a GoPro mount, screwed. So screwed is like a putty that you apply it like a putty and it dries rock hard, and the mount is solid and it ain't coming off. Okay, I've had this on for a couple of years now. So like I say, it is front facing and it's mounted directly in front of my chin on my nose, so basically wherever I look is wherever the helmet and the GoPro is going to point. Inside the helmet, I'm not going to pull it apart because it took me a while to get it perfect and it will be a pain in the bum to get it all put back in. So I currently run a Purple Panda microphone, so it's a lavalier mic and it's Purple Panda, brilliant mic, highly recommended. And the exit point of the male jack, you're allowed to call it a male jack anymore? There's jack that has the pointy bit, exits here, and then the mic itself is, the mic itself is inside this cheek piece, okay, and it has got a dead cat, so I can just pull it out actually. So the mic is tucked inside the material of the cheek piece and it's got a dead cat to help with wind noise. It's not directly in front of my mouth because I find there's a lot of wind, a lot of air gets into this helmet. I'll put that away in a bit. There's a lot of wind and gets into the helmet and I don't want to have too much whistling, too much wind noise. So with the visor down, you get a nice sound, so it's a nice sound, okay. Moving on to the GoPro, so with the Hero 5, 6 and 7 you have to have this ridiculous, we'll just pull it out, mic adapter. Okay, so only the GoPro official product will work on these because there's a chip inside. GoPro doesn't want you using anybody else's base stuff, so they make no money and the quality of your audio is pretty good. So a lot of vloggers will have it velcroed onto the side of the helmet, but I don't want that because I just want it to be a nice and clean setup so I can take the GoPro off and I don't have anything else, anything loose hanging around. So I've got this Ulanzi GoPro, so it's a GoPro case, okay, so you've got space for the GoPro and then the mic adapter fits underneath. So we can basically, when you do set these up, you need to set your GoPro, you need to pull the side door off, GoPro slots inside, make sure I do this the right way around now, mic adapter slides through, and then you've got a purpose-built place to put the mic adapter. Okay, and then it's out of the way and the plug for the mic adapter just slots into the side of the GoPro. However, biggest problem with that is now you've taken off the waterproof, you've taken off the side door, so the GoPro is not waterproof anymore. So what myself and a lot of vloggers do is they get this silicone putty which is designed as an earplug for when you go swimming. So it's a waterproof silicone earplug. And you can just mold it, get it warm, mold it, and then you can pop it around the GoPro's mic adapter, where the mic adapter plugs into your GoPro on the side door. Okay, it's not pretty, but it does the job. Okay, so GoPro in the Ulanzi case, and then that basically slots on to the front of the Arai, okay, at the front of the helmet, and then I basically tighten it down. From there, you need a mic adapter. So if you do decide to go with the Purple Panda helmet microphone, you need a TRRS mic adapter. So if you look, I don't know if you'll pick it up on the focus. There we go. So it's got two little black rings, okay, and the one on the Purple Panda's got 3 rings. So if you want your audio to work out of both channels, you need the 2-ringed adapter, and I've got a right angle adapter there, so it fits right into the side of the GoPro adapter, and then I just plug this in. Make sure it's got a good click, otherwise your audio won't work, and then I can just feed that in there. As long as everything's seated, you'll get great audio, okay? Biggest downside, so visually, so the footage that you get from the GoPro is brilliant, okay? So it's got stabilizing and it's good quality footage. The biggest issue I have with this system is the fact that the GoPro hangs down quite a long way, okay? So because I've mounted this with Sugro, I can't take it off and change it. So and the only way I can get this to work and get the angle, because of the angle that my head's at when I'm on the RR, is to have it below instead of the right way up. So it hangs down and it is a pretty low, and I'm not 100% happy with that, but it'll do for now. So so yeah, that's my setup, and that's what I've been using for a couple of years now. So all the latest vids have been used on if I'm using the GoPro, I've been using this system on all the vids, even when I had the GS. If I was using the GoPro, I used the Ulanzi because it was just tidier than having the mic adapter velcro to the side of my head. Again, if I just want to take it apart, I can just basically unclip it, take the GoPro off, I can unplug the adapter, and I can tuck the spare part of the microphone up out of the way, and I've got a helmet that's not covered in bits and bobs. So I don't know how long I'll be running this system for in the future, for future vids, because this helmet's getting a bit close to its sell-by date, so I will have to be buying a new helmet. Look out for future unboxing videos. If you have any questions about anything that I've just gone through today, so just pop them down in the comments below. But that's all I've got for you today, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you got anything out of it, just give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment like I said, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one.